Oh, Super Ute. The fun never stops. This is the tailgate latch. Yeah, it's cheap. And it sticks. It sticks in two different places, or at least mine did. When it's being pulled back, it was sticking right about there. And it was sticking all the way back. Why? Two reasons. Right on the tip here, when you bend the metal, it bulges right here. So just take a file and just trim right down right there. Just file that down so that it doesn't stick out. Then when it comes back through that plastic, it won't bind. Okay, so I've jammed a socket in here just to hold it open. So the second issue is as you start to pull it back, the top, so right here and here are too wide to go through that plastic. So it also binds. So I just held it open with the socket like I did there. Take your needle nose. I got needle nose vice grips, I guess. And just went in here and just squeezed it in a little bit. So that freed up. So now it doesn't bind there and it doesn't bind at the very tip. So now it's free action without binding. Simple fix, but I guess you get what you get. Okay, so what's today's mod? Well, one of these catches was not working right. And when I took a look at it, I noticed that the spot welds had broken, and there's a black plastic piece inside here, and it was broken. And it's fairly important because what that black plastic piece does is it prevents exactly that. It prevents this thing from moving all around. This is quite a bit larger hole than this piston, whatever. So what I did was just took a piece of plastic and I just grooved it out with a vibrate tool. So now I will have a nice bearing surface for around here. The issue I found when this catch was installed up on here, basically this piece was wobbling back and forth, and so because it wobbles, it misaligns with here. So you close the door fully and it wasn't engaging, and it would be like this, and all I would do is give it a little wobble. I would reach in and give it a little flick and it would pop in, because it's just wobbling too far, and basically it was getting pushed down too far like this, which would not let it go in the hole. If it was lined up, it would just pop in the hole. So that's the fix I'm going to try. We're going to put it back together and see how it works. Okay, so there it is repaired with that little plastic around there. That'll center that a bit so it comes out. It doesn't have as much wobble. Let's try it. So it should go click, click. Opening it. Try closing it. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, for the quality of the hinges and the catches rather, I think that's about as good as we're going to get. So up, click, Click. Yeah, it's still a little off, but it's not bad. I can live with it.